At the end of February 2024, CNTSUN started a technical exchange meeting with a Hunan energy technology company. Both parties jointly selected the best solution for the 15 megawatts in Jingmen, Hubei, which means CNTSUN has taken another solid step in the new energy industry. At the beginning of March, the customer visited CNTSUN headquarters in Eastern Hubei factory and highly recognized its production process and quality control. After the visit, both parties signed cooperation agreements on distributed solar PV project and 15 megawatts BIPV project in Hubei province. The successful signing of this project is a reflection of CNTSUN's continuous pursuit of excellence in the field of new energy technology and the fulfillment of customer needs. In the future, we will continue our efforts to promote the global carbon neutral process and build a green and harmonious global village.